Absolutely love it. Just like I did the last time. I mean, it just changes everything. It's just fun, and it changes everything. Just because you didn't want people looking to notice, that you were losing your hair. So yeah, absolutely. And now you're walking just like, things how it used to be.
Right.
Still, it was very intimidating, especially when you're around a lot of other women, which I tend to be a lot because I play tennis a lot. They all have, younger girls, thick, beautiful hair and all that. So it is very intimidating when your hair is not like, the rest of your friends. So, and this changes it where now you go out, you can go with them again and feel just like you used to. So. Oh my goodness, I would say do not hesitate for a minute. I mean, it's a life changer. I mean, it definitely is a life changer. And like I said, I had confidence one way or the other. I mean, but it changes the way you see things, just wanting to be around other people again. It's like, so, and don't hesitate. I mean, you don't even feel it there. The process of doing your hair is the same. Washing it, blow drying, it's all the same. It doesn't hurt. I mean, taking it out is very easy. I come every 3 weeks and we do it, and they wash my hair and we put it right back on. So it's a simple process.